If you give an introvert the opportunity to talk about themselves, they'll feel like you get them, that you understand them more than anyone else in their life at that given moment in time.
When it comes to selling, is instead of being that person, here's why Robert is great at selling, because he's an introvert. And so people always say like introverts are not great at sales. And in my experience, right, they can oftentimes be much better than extroverts. And it's because they listen more than they speak, right? Too many people on sales calls, they just speak when they should be listening, and then asking. Okay. And when you go from talking all the time to asking important questions and allowing people to express how they feel and to express what they need, the whole game of sales just becomes so much easier for you. And you feel more comfortable too, because you're ending up having a conversation instead of having a sales call in which I'm here to sell you my product. What other qualities as an introvert do you feel like have helped you to get better at sales?
Well, I mean, you really hit the nail on the head when you said that we listen more. I always, and this is in general, I'm always listening, and I wait for the opportune moment to say the right things, because by listening, you're gathering as much information as possible about who they are, what they need, why they need it. And it's this information that by the end of them talking, and you've probably said about 3 or 4 words, they're going to feel like you really know them, because they've spent their entire time speaking about themselves. You've given them that opportunity to, and people love to speak about themselves. You know, even introverts do. If you give an introvert the opportunity to talk about themselves, they'll feel like you get them, that you understand them more than anyone else in their life at that given moment in time. Because just allowing someone to express how they feel, to express their concerns and what's on their mind, makes them feel valued. And when you can make someone feel valued, you're already positioning yourself as somebody who they want in their life, because they're going to feel like you get them. And because they've expressed their problems and concerns, they're going to feel like you're in the best position to be able to help them achieve that if your services align with their problem. And that's also another important thing, is that by listening, you're actually going to find out whether or not you are in fact a good fit. This is one of the probably the biggest problem with bad salesmen out there, is they don't care if you have a problem. They care about shifting their product or their service. Okay. But you're then going to end up in a position where you've probably, if this is your approach, you're going to end up with more unhappy clients than you are happy, because people walk away with this purchase and they're like, hang on a minute, did I actually need this? And the moment that people question it, you failed as a service provider, because what you really want is to identify if this is somebody who really needs what you have to offer, so that by the time you've taken them on the journey of serving them, that they walk away saying, this was incredible. This has changed my life. I'm so happy that I worked with them, because I managed to get this, this, and this at the end of it. And that's what I really needed in my life at that time. And so those are some things that I feel, being an introvert, have really helped me, is having people walk away saying that this was really beneficial to me.